Damn it. The hell was Daryl thinking coming out here by himself?
Well, just remember, protocol dictates that things are gonna heat up real fast out there.
No kidding. Be ready to meet at the fallback spot.
I will await your signal and arrange your rendezvous when mission success has been achieved.
Definitely Daryl. Yeah, looks like him. Daryl, you better have a damn good reason for running off.
You saying you wouldn't come with me? Don't mean I can't do it myself.
I told you not to go.
Don't answer to you, Rick.
I have people to protect. That includes you.
There's a life at stake. Do you even care?
That isn't what I'm...
Maximum walkers coming this way. Might want to hunker down.
Drive to the fallback spot, Eugene. We can settle this later.
Here, take this.
Van's moving to the East Road. Let's go.
Yeah, I know the way.
Watch it! Shit!
I'll be fine. Take the path to your left. I'll see you at the van.
Daryl! Daryl! Shit. Gotta get to the van. Fast. Far now.
Finally. Let's get out of here.
Your leg.
Just a little banged up from the bridge. I'll be fine.
Doesn't look fine to me.
Can we go already? Eugene, get that engine running.
You still owe me a talk.